It's a 2016 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. There are people that like trucks and people that need trucks. This Sierra was built for those that need a truck, a get-dusty, haul-anything, heavy-duty pickup. The corner step rear bumper is built to accommodate your work boots and give you quick and easy access to the truck's bed. Since load size vary, the 4 heavy-duty movable upper cargo box tie-downs help lock it all in. The high-strength steel construction makes for a quiet ride, while you enjoy entertainment options from a USB port and auxiliary audio input. The ride is built to handle it all with an automatic locking rear differential and StabiliTrak with proactive roll control.
The V8 engine provides the power you need. You might take a drive just to listen to the premium sound system. You'll want to keep both hands on the heated steering wheel.
When you can't afford to second-guess if your truck can handle the job, your only choice is this Sierra. Take it for a test ride today.
Fast, fair, and fun. Give us a call or stop by. We're conveniently located in the Idaho Center Auto Mall.